Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. This is your messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And yes, kung may tanong or if you're interested sa atin pong all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet, this is available in red and black strings. Okay, and ito naman ang ating Evil Eye ring. Yeah, this is adjustable, and ang ating Evil Eye necklace. So, naka-post naman siya sa ating FB page. So, better check it out. Okay? So, kung may mga tanungan, just message me lang po. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Let's start. Air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, anong kailangan nyong malaman at marinig? Tingnan natin. Okay. Air signs. Oh, the Ace of Cups. You have a new connection, a new relationship coming if you're interested. Okay, so some of you, this is healing, focusing on self-love. Okay. A Four of Cups in reversed. May chance na merong masabotahe dito. Like, kung hindi magfo-focus sa healing, pwedeng lumagpas to. Some of you, merong mag-open up ng kanilang emosyon, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, what else? The Knight of Wands in reversed. The Fool in reversed. Okay. So, I think there's a fire sign, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Sabihin natin na parang natatakot na lumapit sa'yo. Natakot sila na parang laruin ka. Parang ganyan. They're like being careful. Okay? Some of them ayaw na nila ng repeat. Okay? Maybe there's a player from the past who is coming back, no? Para, yun nga, magbigay ngayon ng kaseryosohan this time. Okay? So, hindi yun para sa lahat. Pero yes, may energy na ganyan. May nagloko noon, pero babalik para ayusin kung anong mga meron sa ngayon. Okay. Kung may nagtatanong, tama ba ang ginagawa niya? Tama ba ang ginagawa mo sa ngayon? You're on the right path. Don't worry. Okay? Huwag ka matakot. Yes, meron kasi iba sa inyo, merong mga parang bagong ginagawa, may mga plano na ginagawa. Okay? Yes. Basta magkaroon ka lang ng straight or diretsong pananaw, no, sa iyong ginagawa. Okay, the Seven of Swords. The Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, some of you, be careful po, no, pagdating sa iyong kaperahan. Nandito yung parang energy na pwedeng may mawawala, mami-misplace, mga ganyan. Okay? So, if there's someone na, kasi energy ito ng secrets, lies, okay? Meron ditong kung sino man itong hindi makapag-offer ng commitment sa'yo, they're a liar. Okay? Napaka-specific nun. Kung hindi nila kaya mag-offer sa'yo ng commitments, hindi nila kayang maging open sa'yo, okay? They're a liar. Ganon lang kadali. Okay? Kung hindi sila maging tapat, yun nga, meron silang itinatago, okay? Na hindi mo dapat malaman, parang ganyan. So, yun. Yun ang nakikita ko. They're a liar. Okay? Be careful. So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. So, tingnan natin. Messages for you, fire signs. Anong mga dapat mong malaman? Okay. The King of Cups. Oh, there's a water sign na pwedeng may emotion for you. Pisces, yeah. Some of you, your boss. Ha? Oo, may something sa'yo. Some of you, pwedeng makakita ng someone, makarelasyon, pag dyan sa workplace. Okay? Dyan sa workplace. Ito ha, yung boss mo, oo, parang boss, I don't know, someone, or katrabaho mo, malalaman mong they're into you kapag sila yung parang may bigay ng bigay ng bigay sa'yo. Like, nililibre ka. Yun ang pinakasenyales. Sana gusto ka niya, nililibre ka. Or talagang tulong siya ng tulong sa'yo. Okay? So, sign yun ng love nila for you. Ay, oo. Okay. What else? Okay. Some of you, kailangan mo ulit matutong magtiwala. Ha? Okay? So, the Two of Wands and the Knight of Wands in reversed. Okay. So, energy na parang may nako-confuse or mayroong taong kumu-confuse sa'yo dahil hindi nila magawang maging open. So, tingin mo tuloy sa kanila is red flag. Okay? Hintayin mo na mag-open up itong mga to. Okay? Kasi ang point of view mo lang kasi talaga sa kanila is red flag dahil hindi sila nagiging open or hindi sila nagiging clear pagdating sa intentions or emotions nila. Okay? Yeah. There's a decision na pwedeng mangyari. Some of you sa ngayon, okay, may mga pinag-iisipan. Pero hindi ko nakikitang gagawa agad ng decision dahil hindi pa rin naman ready kung ano man ang dapat gawin. Some of you, if you're not ready, don't decide. Okay? Parang ganun. Okay? So, what else? What else for you? Fire signs. The Tower in reversed. Okay. Pag-avoid ng being clear. Bakit ganon? Alam nyo, may nagmamahal sa inyo. May someone na in love sa inyo. Ha? Pero hindi nila kayang maging tapat. Or hindi nila kayang maging open. Yeah. Eight of Cups, Universe. Some of you, this is a person from the past. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. May nangyaring ending sa inyong dalawa. Okay, kung nandyan siya, naguguluhan to eh. If your person from the past is returning, they're confused. Okay, they're just confused. Okay, so wag mong hahayaan na ibaba yung guard mo para sa kanila. Okay, wag mong hahayaan na parang open yung door mo for them and kung anong gusto nilang gawin is okay para sa'yo. Wag. Okay? Hindi mo kailangang maging open, hindi mo kailangang maging vulnerable sa kanila. Okay? Because they're confused. Paano tayo doon, 'di ba? Kung confused siya, paano tayo? Mangangapa tayo doon. Okay? So, itong taong ito, maybe they want your validations. They just want your validations. Okay? Ganun eh. Ang nakikita ko sa taong to rin. Okay? So, there. Kung parang kung karapat dapat ba na bumalik ako? Meron pa ba siyang love for me? Mga ganun. So, paano kung wala na? Hindi ka na ipopursue? Like that. Okay? So, there. Next is water signs. Okay. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong messages for you? Water signs. Okay. Water signs. One more. Messages for water signs, please. Okay. The Queen of Swords. Someone is too detached and cold. Someone is moody. Yeah, the Six of Swords. There's an air sign who is detaching themselves, okay, from you. Being distant. Some of you, meron kayong like, pwedeng i-grow or i-grow, yeah, i-improve something regarding your, maybe, kung ano man ang mga pinag-aaralan mo sa ngayon, mga ganyan. Okay? May nakikita ko dito kukuha ng vocational, I don't know, mga ganyan. May kukuha ng something like masteral, like that, PhD, mga ganon. Okay? So, yeah, I think this is more on studies, mga ganyan. Or something like, may mag-i-improve lang. Okay? Lalo na pagdating sa intellect, pagdating sa mentalidad, parang ganyan. Okay? So, yeah, meron ditong air sign na talagang lalayuan ka or pwedeng lalayuan mo. Okay? Maybe they're just parang pinoprotektahan lang nila yung sarili nila from you. I don't know why. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Their happiness, their, sabihin nating peace of mind, mga ganyan. The Five of Cups. Some of you, nakikita ko kasi dito, you have, something like, gustong-gusto mo, you have this wish, no, na pero hindi ko nakikita na nagkukuha mo na because some of you, you're feeling upset, okay? So, I guess, wag kang masyadong wag mo sukuan. Kung gusto mo talaga wag mo sukuan. Okay? The world is here. So, this is maybe challenges from the universe rin naman. Okay? Maybe, yeah. The Hermit in reverse. So, I think this is like a lesson for you to grow, for you to be stronger. Parang ganyan. Okay? Kasi kung iiyakan mo lang yung isang bagay na gusto mo dahil hindi mo makuha, 'di ba? Baka pagtawanan ka ni universe sa ganyan. Okay, ay okay, hanggang ganyan lang pala ikaw. Okay, you don't deserve this. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Wag kang mag-alala kasi nasa energy mo yung ganyan. Nasa energy mo yung something. Okay, gusto ko tong ganito. Then, meaning, nakadikit yun sa'yo, no? May energy na nakapaligid sa'yo. Kaya mo parang ginugusto. Okay? Hindi mo gustuhin yung isang bagay na wala naman eh. Okay? Ganun siya. For me. Okay. What else? For you, water signs. Okay. The Two of Swords in reversed. Okay. Some of you, pwede magkaroon ng decision like mind over heart decision. Like that. Yeah, strength in reversed. Okay. So, ang nakikita ko, a decision na pwedeng dito nakasalalay kung anong mangyayari sa'yo in the near future. Okay? So, kung ikaw itong parang hindi mo pag-iisipan ng maganda, ng tama, okay, yun ang kalalabasan in the near future. Okay? Okay? Yeah. There's a Leo na pwedeng open or gusto makipag-usap sa'yo. Leo sign. Air sign din. Okay, they're thinking of you. They're sad, depressed, some of them. Okay, so there. Next. Okay, next is Earth signs. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. So, anong messages for you? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Don't forget. Thank you. Okay, so anong message ang kailangan mong marinig, Earth signs? The Nine of Cups, your wish fulfillment. The Five of Wands, you need to do or you need to make effort, okay? Para dito sa wish na gusto mo. Okay? Hindi pwedeng darating na lang. Kailangan mong effort. Ito, oh. Kung kailangan mo or kung talagang sa tingin mo gusto mo yan, kailangan mong ilaban yan. Hindi pwedeng hindi. Okay? Kasi syempre, gusto ko to. Lalaban ko to, syempre. Parang ganon. Okay? Some of you, you're feeling hopeless. Don't. Okay? Don't. Oo. Okay. What else? Meron ditong water sign na nahihirapang makuha ka. Yeah. They need to, talagang mag-strive, no? Kailangan nilang effort para makuha ka. Yeah. And some people, ginagawa ka nilang, challenge. Okay? Seven of Wands. The Devil in reverse. Iba sa inyo talagang wine-welcome nyo pa yung challenge, no? Oo. Huwag nyong iba-block if ever yung mga sitwasyong mahihirap. Okay? Kasi minsan, yan talaga yung sabihin nating kailangan yung pagdaanan para makuha yung mga gusto nyo. Or sabihin nating para ibigay sa'yo yung mga dapat talaga na makuha mo. Yeah, see? Okay? The Page of Wands. This is something like a new beginning. Parang ganyan. Okay? Don't avoid parang drama, problems. Kasi minsan ay yung isang bagay na magpapatibay sa'yo eh. Okay? Hindi ka matututo hanggat hindi ka nadadapa eh. Parang ganon. Okay? So, yeah. Okay. Some of you, ang kailangan ninyong i-avoid is yung mga taong nagbibigay ng katoksikan sa inyo. Yun ang kailangan nyong i-avoid. Okay? Yung mga taong lagi lang hihilahin ka pababa para umangat sila. Yan. Okay, yan ang i-avoid nyo. Okay. Pwedeng fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. May mga taong talagang nagagalit sa'yo, naiinis sa'yo, nabubwisit sa'yo kahit wala kang ginagawa. Effortless. Nabubwisit sila sa'yo kahit wala kang ginagawa. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Okay? Oo, problema na nila yun. Di ba? Yan sila. Wala kang ginagawa, di ba? Paano kung may gawin ka pa, di lalo na yan. Kalma, oo. So, Ten of Swords. I think there's sabihin nating bago mo talaga makuha yung gusto mo sa buhay mo, talagang dadaan ka muna sa struggle. Dadaan ka muna sa kung ano man. Okay? Kasi a new beginning is coming. Okay? Strength in reverse. Darating sa punto parang panghihinaan ka na ng loob. Parang ganyan. Don't give up. Don't give up until the finish line, mga earth signs. Okay? This is just a challenge for you. Yeah. Universe is looking after you. Tinitingnan ka niya kung talaga bang parang deserve mo yung gusto mo. Parang ganun. Okay? Bakit bakit kailangan pang mag-strive? I don't know. Some of you kasi sabihin natin pwedeng nasa ganito pang energy. Ito pa. Pages. Iba sa inyo pwedeng nagsisimula pa lang, nag-uumpisa pa lang. Or sabihin natin gusto ni universe na dagdagan pa. Okay? Yung mga nalalaman mo, yung mga experience mo, talagang hinahasa ka eh. Well, gusto mo naman yun. 'Di ba? Gusto mo yung sabihin nating challenge. Yes. Oo. Iba sa inyo, ayoko po. Wala tayong magagawa. Okay, ito yung parang, yeah, parang energy ng iba sa inyo. I don't know kung kani-kanino to. Okay? So, avoid those, sabihin nating people na nagbibigay sa inyo ng katoksikan. Avoid nyo yung mga taong feeling nyo binabackstab kayo. I-avoid yung mga energy vampires, no? Na sa tingin niyo is nagpapadrain sa inyo. There's people here na talagang they're too draining. Okay, why? Because you're in the energy of the Nine of Cups. You can provide everything, maybe. Okay? Like emotionally, 'di ba? Yeah. So you need to protect your own energy, mga earth signs. Okay? Protect your own energy from these toxic energies. Okay? Sa pamamagitan ng what? Pagtataboy, pag-avoid, at hindi pag-welcome sa mga low vibe. Okay, so yon ang ating reading for you. All signs. Again, yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.